Bereshith 1:31. And Yahweh saw all that he had made, and see, it was very good. And there came to be evening, and there came to be morning, the sixth day. Bereshith 2:1-3. Thus the heavens and the earth were completed, in all their array. And in the seventh day Yahweh completed his work which he had done, and he rested in the seventh day from all his work which he had made. And Yahweh blessed the seventh day and made it apart, because on it he rested from all his work which Yahweh in creating had made.
Yahweh worked for 6 days. He rested on the seventh day. Yahweh said we should remember the Sabbath to make it apart. Sabbath is a command from Yahweh to all his children. Sabbath is a covenant between Yahweh and his children. Yahweh worked for 6 days. He rested on the seventh day. Yahweh said we should remember the Sabbath to make it apart. Yahweh said we should keep his Sabbath by all means. Yahweh said those who don't keep his Sabbath are put to death. Yahweh worked for 6 days. He rested on the seventh day. Yahweh said we should remember the Sabbath to make it apart. When we rest on the Sabbath, then Yahweh gives us rest. Yahweh said that obedience shall lead us to his blessings. Yahweh worked for 6 days. He rested on the seventh day. Yahweh said we remember the Sabbath to make it apart. Yahweh worked for 6 days. He rested on the seventh day. Yahweh said we should remember the Sabbath to make it apart.
Sabbath is a command from Yahweh to all his children. Sabbath is a covenant between Yahweh and his children. Hallelujah! Shemot 31:12-17. And Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, And you speak to the children of Israel, saying, My Sabbaths you are to guard by all means, for it is a sign between me and you throughout your generations, to know that I, Yahweh, am making you apart. And you shall guard the Sabbath, for it is made apart to you. Everyone who profanes it shall certainly be put to death. For anyone who does work on it, that being shall be cut off from among his people. 6 days' work is done, and on the seventh is a Sabbath of rest, made apart to Yahweh. Everyone doing work on the Sabbath day shall certainly be put to death. And the children of Israel shall guard the Sabbath, to perform the Sabbath throughout their generations as an everlasting covenant. Between me and the children of Israel, it is a sign forever. For in 6 days Yahweh made the heavens and the earth, and on the seventh day he rested and was refreshed. Hallelujah!